Hello everyone. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who are working right here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to get this figured out. First thing I want to say is stay calm. This is not the end of the world, and it doesn't mean your car is about to break down tomorrow. This warning is actually pretty common, and according to many mechanics who've dealt with it, it almost always has a logical explanation. To start with, SCBS is the system that helps your car brake automatically when it detects a possible low-speed collision. Think of it like an extra set of eyes saying, hey, watch out. When the car shows this message, what it's really saying is, I'm not seeing clearly, so I'm shutting myself off to avoid making a mistake. It's not broken, it's protecting itself. Now, one of the most common causes, and this is something a lot of mechanics here agree on, is something as simple as dirt on the front camera. Dust, mud, water spots, bugs, car wax, anything that blocks the camera's view can confuse the system. A lot of people clean the windshield but forget the exact spot where the camera sits, and that's when the trouble starts. Along with that, the camera can also get slightly out of alignment. It doesn't take a big accident. Sometimes a small bump, a strong vibration, or even hitting a bad pothole is enough. The system is very sensitive, and if the camera isn't exactly where it should be, the car basically says, I don't trust what I'm seeing, and shuts the system off for safety. Now here's something that surprises a lot of people, the battery. Yes, the 12-volt battery. When it's old, weak, or has unstable voltage, electronic systems start acting weird. Many mechanics say that simply replacing the battery made the warning disappear like magic. The car doesn't have to completely lose power. Even a small voltage drop can confuse the system. And speaking of confusion, another common cause is electronic glitches. Sometimes the system just gets out of sync. This can happen after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, driving in heavy rain, or even for no obvious reason at all. In those cases, many people at the shop say they just turned the car off, let it sit for a few minutes, turned it back on, and the message was gone like nothing ever happened. Now, if after cleaning, checking things, and restarting the car the warning is still there, the next step is usually recalibration. It's not a big deal. With a professional scan tool, the technician basically tells the system, hey, relearn where your sensors are. Most of the time, that fixes it without replacing any expensive parts. It's also important to know that this message can appear due to extreme weather. Heavy rain, fog, humidity, or even strong sunlight can temporarily affect the camera's visibility. Many drivers say that once they drive for a bit and everything dries out, the warning goes away on its own.